Here's another one, white and green. They're not the same color, which means I have to do it like this. Is that white and green? It is. And once again, it doesn't fit, so I got to do it like this. Okay, we're almost there. Looking around. Here's the last piece. Once again, it's different color, so I got to put it in like this. Insert. We'll rotate again because this is where all our white pieces are. We're going to go and insert it on top. We can keep going. Now we're going to do the last one, which is the blue and white. I don't see anything up here, so we're going to flip. And here's two blue and white, so they're already paired up. Perfect. Here it is. So we can see right here, the white does match with white, which means I can easily putting it on the left. And I can slice. Here's another one. As you can see, these colors are not facing each other. And even if I put it on the left, it won't work, which means I got to put it in like this. Oh, here it is right here. These two are facing the same color. These two are the same color, which means I can insert it. Here it is right here. And I just finished that side. So now what I can do is I can insert it. Now make sure when you insert the final piece to make this a full solved side, don't insert it on an empty layer. Insert it on a layer that's already solved. Because when you do an R, U prime, R prime, it will make sure all your edges stay on top. And now we can forever leave it like this flipped. We never have to flip it again because this is already at the bottom and solved. There's never going to be a piece we're looking for down there. So all the pieces we're looking for now are up here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to finish the yellow centers now and put them on top. And then once we're done with that, we're going to go on to last 4 centers and we're going to do some parity cases and algorithms.